Today I will be showing you how to use the graphing calculator model TI-84 Plus Silver Edition, which is made by Texas Instruments. Keep in mind that I am using the TI Smart View for the TI-84 Plus, so it will look different than your handheld graphing calculator. In calculus, it is a must that a student know how to use a graphing calculator properly. In this video, I am going to teach you how to find three main topics on the graphing calculator. Those topics are definite integrals, numerical derivatives, and intersections. First, I want to show you how to find definite integrals. Definite integral is defined as if f is a function defined for a is less than or equal to x and x is less than or equal to b, we divide the interval AB into subintervals of equal width. The integral sign was introduced by Leibniz, and it is called the integral sign. It is an elongated S, and it was chosen because an integral is a limit of sums. Now, our example problem for today is absolute value sine x dx is integrated from negative pi over 4 to pi over 4. Now, on the graphing calculator, to find definite integrals, we want to press Math 9, and for the sake of our problem, since we're using absolute value, we want to press Math right arrow 1, which give us our absolute value. We want to type in sine x, close parentheses, and another close parentheses to close off the absolute value, comma, we're finding in terms of x, comma, and now we want to type in our boundaries, which is negative pi over 4 to pi over 4. So we're going to type in negative pi over 4, comma, pi over 4. Now that we see that our problem is typed in correctly, we want to press enter, which will give us our answer 0.5857. And this is how you find a definite integral. The next thing I want to show you how to find on the graphing calculator is numerical derivatives. A numerical derivative is basically finding a derivative or slope at a certain x value. Now, the graphing calculator cannot tell us or show us the algebraic expression of finding a derivative, but what it can do is substitute the x values for us. Now, our example problem for today is 4x to the 5th plus 8x squared minus 10 at x equals 1.2. Now, to find a numerical derivative on the graphing calculator, we want to press Math 8. First, we want to type in our problem, which is 4x to the 5th plus 8x squared minus 10, comma, we want to put our variable in there, which is x, comma, now we want to put in our x value, which is 1.2. And now we want to close the parentheses off. Now that we see our problem is entered correctly, we want to press enter, which give us our answer 60.6720. Lastly, what I want to show you guys today is how to find intersections. Now, intersection is basically where two graphs cross each other. We want to type in our problem, which is 3.1 x squared minus 11x plus 2. Type in our next graph, which is x minus 9, and now we want to press graph. Wait for the two graphs to show up, and you will see down here at the bottom, that the two graphs are crossing each other. Now, to find the intersection where these two graphs are crossing each other, we want to press second, trace, which is actually calculate. We want to press number 5. It's going to ask us which one's the first curve. We just press enter. The second curve, we press enter. And now it's asking us to guess, which is where we think the intersection is. So I'm going to press the right arrow all the way to where I think the intersection is, and we're going to press enter. Now our intersection is x equals 1.4908 and y equals negative 7.5091. Now, some other things or shortcuts that you could use on your handheld device, which I can show you on this one. On your handheld device, you can actually press Alpha F1, and it would allow you to type in a fraction vertically, except then type it in horizontally. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this instructional video of how to use the graphing calculator TI-84 Plus Silver Edition. I hope it helps you. Signing off, this is Devin.